Hey, my couponing friends! I've got some of the best Ibotta and Fetch Rewards cashback deals for the week of May 17th through May 23rd. And I'm going to break them down nice and easy so you know exactly what to grab, what you'll pay out of pocket, and what the final cost will be after rebates. And make sure you watch to the end to see my couponing haul, because I'm showing you what I grabbed and how these deals come together. First, let's start at Target with the VH Essentials Feminine Wash. This is priced at $6.99. If you use your Target Circle card, your out-of-pocket drops to about $6.64. Then you submit to Ibotta for $3.50 back and check your Fetch app because there's a $2 Fetch Rewards offer. After both rebates, your final cost is only $1.14. That is a great personal care deal because these products can be expensive at regular price. Next Target deal is on ISO Pure Clear Protein Water. You want to grab 2 bottles, priced at $2.99 each, so the total is $5.98. With the Target Circle Card discount, you'll pay about $5.68 out of pocket, then submit to Ibotta for $2.99 back on 2. That makes your final cost $2.69 for both, or just $1.34 each. This is a good deal if you like protein drinks or want to try them without paying full price. Now here's a sweet treat deal at Target. Grab 2 Ben & Jerry's ice cream pints. They are on sale, 2 for $9. With the Target Circle card, you'll pay around $8.55 out of pocket. Then submit to Ibotta for $4 back on 2. Your final cost is $4.55 for both, or only $2.28 each. That's a good price for Ben & Jerry's, especially if your family loves ice cream. Next up is a Fetch Rewards deal at Target on Rice Krispies Treats. Grab the 16-count box priced at $5.19. With your Target Circle card, you'll pay about $4.93 out of pocket. Then submit to Fetch for $2 back. That makes your final cost $2.93. This is a good snack deal for lunches, kids, or quick treats at home. Now, let's go to Walmart for a moneymaker deal. Grab the Kraft Mac and Cheese Restaurant Edition priced at $2.97. You'll pay $2.97 out of pocket. Then submit to Fetch Rewards for $4 back. That makes this free plus a $1.03 moneymaker. Yes, you heard that right. You pay $2.97, get back $4, and come out ahead. Another Walmart Fetch deal is on the Pepsi Prebiotic Cola 8-pack. It's showing at $6 for the deal price. You'll pay $6 out of pocket, then submit to Fetch for $6 back. That makes your final cost free after Fetch Rewards. Check your Fetch app first because some offers have limits and may vary by account. Now for a laundry deal at Walmart. Grab the big Purex laundry detergent, 225-ounce 200 loads. It's priced at $14.97. You'll pay $14.97 out of pocket, then get back $4.50 in Walmart cash and $1 from Fetch Rewards. That brings the final cost down to $9.47, which is about 5 cents per load. For a huge bottle of detergent, that's a good stock-up price. Now let's head to Walgreens for the Old Spice Body Spray deal. Grab 4 Old Spice body sprays. They are priced at $8.99 each, and they are on a buy one, get one 50% off sale. You also want to clip the Walgreens digital coupons, including the $5 off $2 and the $2 off 1 coupons. After the sale and coupons, you'll pay about $19.97 out of pocket. Then you'll get back $4 in register rewards and submit to Ibotta for $6 back because the $2 Ibotta rebate can be redeemed 3 times. Final cost is $9.97 for all 4, or only $2.49 each. That's a good price for body spray, especially if you have men or teens in the house. Another Target deal is on Special K cereal. Grab 2 boxes. They are on sale 2 for $9. With the Target Circle card, you'll pay about $8.55 out of pocket. Then submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back on each box for a total of $1.50 back. Final cost is $7.05 for both, or about $3.53 each. Not free, but it's still a decent grocery deal if your household buys cereal anyway. Last easy deal is at Target on Rotel diced tomatoes. Grab 2 cans priced at $1.49 each. With your Target Circle card, your out-of-pocket is about $2.83. Then submit to Ibotta for 25 cents back on 2. Final cost is $2.58 for both or $1.29 each. This is a great pantry item to have for tacos, chili, dips, or quick dinners. So here's the reminder before you shop. Open Ibotta, add your offers first, open Fetch and check your offers, scan your items in the store, and make sure the size and product match before you check out. After you shop, submit your receipts right away so you don't miss your cash back. And now it's time for the haul. Let me show you what I grabbed, what I paid out of pocket, and how much I'm getting back from Ibotta and Fetch Rewards. Follow for more weekly coupon deals, Walmart deals, Target deals, Walgreens deals, and easy cashback hauls that help you save real money every week.